Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
As the ancient traveling saying goes, favored are the curious, for they shall adventure. Tembea Nakuru took to the slopes of Kariandusi in the outskirts of Gilgil subcounty, 300 meters from Nakuru-Nairobi highway and a stone throw away from Kariandusi Prehistoric site, to indulge in sustainable ecotourism, where cultural heritage is preserved for the learning purposes and splendid wildlife adventure. Welcome to Utamaduni Nature Park, a hidden gem for the entire family to enjoy a variety of wildlife sightseeing, bird watching, recreational activities such as kids' playing grounds, a serene and stunning swimming in the wild, and rich Kenyan culinary experiences.
Hi Mary.
Hi, welcome to Tamaduni Nature Park.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Tumekuja na wageni.
Yeah, karibuni sana.
Asante.
I will take you to the park and the guide will take over from there. Tamaduni Nature Park, tuko na 3 activities. We have the first part is the traditional homesteads. We have the wild animals like the crocodile, the ostrich, the python. We have the gallery also where we showcase the traditional tools. I hope you will enjoy the stay with us. So this is the first wife. This is where the mother could sleep. This is where the girls could sleep. It's called kerere. And this is where they could place their food. It's called itara. This is the 3 stone. It could signify God, Father, Mother, and children. Over here is their drawer, the drawer of those days. They could place their food. The miratina plant, like this one. This is an example of miratina plant. It's used to make a beer called moratina. So this is the second wave, the third wave. We have set the first wave to be an example of the rest. The stick over there, you see every house has a stick. That stick could signify the center of the house, and also it could signify that the owner of the house is still alive. When he or she dies, the stick was cut off. Apart from Kikuyu homestead, we have the Teso homestead, the Kalenjin homestead, the Akamba homestead, the Luo homestead, Mijikenda homestead, Borana homestead, and the Masai homestead. Welcome to Tamaduni Nature Park and experience what we have. We have the Nile crocodile. Crocodile does not have a tongue, so can you move this way so that you can view? You can see? They do not have a tongue, and also all the teeth are canine, if you can observe. I feed them meat after every 2 weeks because they do not have a tongue, so they just cut the meat and swallow it. You can find the crocodile opening its mouth for that 5 to 45 minutes without closing it. There are 2 reasons. The first reason is fooling. The second reason is these birds over here. They are called the villajuva birds. They look at its mouth as if there is a meat, and they always want to go inside and eat the meat. When they enter inside, they are being trapped. Apart from the Nile crocodile, we have the tortoise, the house snake, the python, the guinea fowl, turkey, eagles, Egyptian goose, the goose. We have the guinea pigs, we have the owl, we have the rabbits, we have the Ugandan cranes, monitor lizard, rock hyrax, monkeys, porcupine, and peacock, and the peahen.
There you have it. Nakuru County is undoubtedly Kenya's epicenter for tourism, so be sure to make Utamaduni Nature Park a stopover travel destination and get to immerse yourself with nature's best. Special appreciation to our valued partners who made this journey a success. Subscribe and do join us for our next Tembea Nakuru excursions.